Hi my country people, how una dey? Today I bring una the life story of the first magician for Africa wey cut himself into two and the first magician for Africa wey perform different live show for leaders around the world. The life story of Professor Peller no be tori wey person fit finish for one day because of the plenty ogbonge magic wey im perform. I sure say Indomie generation fit no know am or any other magician because people don dey forget the practice. But any Nigerian or Yoruba person wey don reach 40 years go remember Professor Peller as soon as e hear the name because the things wey im do and im legacy na for life. Dem born Professor Moshood Folorunsho Abiola Peller wey everybody know as Professor Peller for Iseyin, Oke-Ogun local government area for Oyo State in 1941. Professor Peller be from pure Muslim family as the religion dey common with Iseyin people. Dat time, dem dey call am Moshood the red-haired boy when im dey small pikin. Wetin cause am be say Abiola Peller get light skin but im hair dey red color. As im dey grow up, na so the hair dey turn black. Im at ten d primary and native authority school for Iseyin before e come move to Ibadan. Na 1954 Professor Peller start im magic performance for Ibadan city. Na dis practice make am dey travel from Ibadan, Lagos and Oyo, but when e reach 1959, Peller resign come become representative to GBO retailer wey be popular businessman. As Peller dey work with the businessman, na so the magic blood no gree comot for im body. Na dis one come make am go back to im magic work for 1964. Meanwhile, the whole world know say India na the powerhouse for magic. Na dis one carry Peller go India go seek for more knowledge in magic. Na 1.5 years Peller take do training for India before e come from there go Liberia go settle down. As we all know say no place be like home, Peller return back home for 1966 where e come begin dey practice advanced magic. Anything wey we do today go be history tomorrow. Na so Peller tori be today. For Nigeria and Africa, the magic wey Abiola Peller dey do be number one. Even as e don kpain, we never see any magician wey dey popular like Professor Peller. When Peller dey perform for stage, kings go leave their mouth open. Na so spectators too go dey speechless. University of Birmingham for obodo oyinbo no fit forget the great magic wey Peller perform for King George V Stadium in Lagos for 1972. Na the place dem dey call Onikan Stadium today. The university describe Peller as magician wey brave and get courage. E say im magic make am happy well well. Now, make I gist una some of the magic wey Peller perform and wey people no fit forget lai lai. During one of im performance, Peller put im wife inside coffin, cut am into two with no blood and join am back to life again. Another time, e lock the wife inside cupboard, put lock for the cupboard. Later when e open the cupboard, the woman don disappear. Professor Peller get one white handkerchief. Anytime e stretch the handkerchief up and down, white dove go fly come out of the handkerchief. One day, Peller swallow stone for everybody koro eyes. Right there on stage, Peller bend down and shit the stone comot. Not forgetting the day wey e allow im body divide into two with no blood and the body join back by himself. What of the day e comot the two cufflinks wey dey im shirt, stretch them out and turn them to flowers. Some of the leaders wey Peller take im magic shock include the late Togolese president Gnassingbé Eyadema, Samuel Kenya Doe from Liberia and President Matthew Kereku from Benin. Na dis magic performance make Peller and Samuel Doe become friends overnight when Peller go perform for Monrovia for 1970 with the field full with spectators. Liberia government order law enforcement to guard di field. Samuel dey among di soldiers and later become Liberian president. For Nigeria, Chief Obafemi Awolowo dey among di political leaders wey enjoy magic from Peller wen im be editor for Southwestern State for Nigeria. Make we talk about Peller love life. Dem say Peller na lovey person. He and im wife Alhaja Slikat Adeboyin Peller love themselves even as di wife still dey high school. Peller go district grammar school for 1967. Na there im meet im wife. Dem do I do for 1971 and di gum-body produce beautiful children. Even though Abiola Peller marry other wives, but di popular wife na Lady Peller wey dey follow her husband play magic for stage. Di children be Shina Peller, Nike Peller, Zito Peller, Q Peller and Pastor Kayode Abiola Peller. Na memorable day be August 2nd, 1997 wen Peller dey im house around 7pm for evening. E just come back from one of im show and dey observe im 7 o'clock prayer on di mat wen hired assassin come and take im life. Dem shoot am on top di mat. Till today, nobody fit trace di pipo wey dey behind im death. Professor Peller spent just 66 years for life. One important lesson wey Peller life tori teach us be say make we put God first for anything wey we dey do and remember death. Even as Abiola Peller no live long, im legacy dey forever. Rest in peace, Professor Moshood Folorunsho Abiola Peller. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.